Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have our silver swag, so let's get into it and check it out. Silver swag is always such a fun box. It was a box that was started during that time where we couldn't see everybody as much as we wanted to. So it makes a great gift to send to your loved ones, just to give them a little something to know you're thinking about them. But it's also a fun gift for you. I always love, last month was taco month. It was a blast. I don't know what this month's theme is. This box is sent to me for review, and because we review it, they send over a code. It is CAT15. That will get you $15 off your first box. When we open it up, it says, "Good morning, May." Pretty blue color for May. Love that. What the theme is. It always has little lifestyle products in it, things for your home, snacks, just lots of fun items that everyone can enjoy. And this is Silver Swag Box, Mind Your Biscuits. Well, my little one's called Biscuits something else, so we're gonna assume this is all about the real biscuits. Let's check it out. I will put their link and all the information down below in the description. All right, first item out, we have, ooh, a fun looking spatula. I love silicone spatulas. It's what I almost exclusively use in the kitchen. You know what? I just realized I just jumped in without showing you any of the paperwork. We have Mind Your Biscuits, and on the back of that, we have our prompts just to start conversations, whether it's at your dinner table, on the phone with the ones you love, just to find out more information. I always say there's so much more that I wish I had known about my grandparents and my great-grandparents. And then this one on the back tells us what's inside. Back to our fun blue spatula. This is the Talisman Designs Silicone Spatula. Durable and pretty, this vintage-inspired spatula mixes, folds, and blends in retro style. I love, can you guys see? It's got a design in it. That is so cute. Love that. And just for the record, it says down here in the corner, dishwasher ready. It is FDA safe, BPA free, and safe for up to 400 degrees. That is fun. I bet we're gonna have something fun in here to start with it. And next out, we have the Simply Coffee Coffee Scrub. And that is what that looks like. The paperwork says, what does it say? Where is it? I can't find it. Okay, Adam's Apple Handmade Soap Coffee Scrub. Is that what this is? This says that it's Adam's Apple Handmade Soap Coffee Scrub. Wake up your senses while exfoliating your skin with this all-natural sugar scrub with real coffee grounds. Well, it doesn't say anywhere on here that I can tell Adam's Apple, so we will just take them at their word. Again, that is what it looks like. Let's open it up. Oh, it is good and sealed. You know, guys, I'm gonna leave that sealed because I am working with a scrub, and in case I want to pass it along, it'll be awesome if it's sealed. But you guys have seen coffee scrubs. They are so, I love the scent of them. In the shower in the morning, you know, you drink your coffee, you get in the shower. I might have a slight coffee addiction though, so it could just totally be me. Next out, and it's in the shred, we have biscuit mix. I suspected something like this was coming. It is Adam's Apple Southern Style Biscuit Mix, and it is a 16-ounce package to share the goodness, so we can stir that up with our nice new spatula. That is what it looks like. Adam's Apple Southern Biscuit Mix. Just add water or milk, and you'll be instantly transported back to your grandma's kitchen. It says it makes 13 servings per container, so I'm gonna guess 13 biscuits. And it looks like it is just a really easy way to make biscuits. That's super fun. Okay, next out I have Adam's Apple Apple Pie Jam. How fun will that be to put on the biscuits? That is a perfect accompaniment. Once again, they have nailed the theme this month. This says Adam's Apple Apple Pie Jam. We can't think of a better way to top a hot, fresh biscuit than this delicious apple jam. This is 10 ounces. It says it's 18 servings. That's a tablespoon, and it's 45 calories. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and open it because either my husband, I'm trying to be good again, either my husband or my parents will enjoy it and they won't mind that I opened it. Oh, that smells so good. It smells really apple-y. That is, I want to eat it. I'm gonna take this down and put it in the fridge. I bet my husband is going to love this. Next out we have, I'm gonna guess with the French, maybe no ennui, Sunday brunch. Looks like, I'm betting it's gonna be a candle. It is a confectionery blend soy candle, 4 ounces. It's got waffles. How, oh my gosh, it smells so mapley right here all of a sudden. Oh my gosh, it is filling up this space with a waffly mapley scent. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. How that little candle smells so good. No ennui Sunday brunch candle, hand poured soy candle with notes of maple, cinnamon, vanilla, and pecans, topped with mini waffles. Sadly, they're not edible. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells so good. It smells kind of fall-like because it's got that mapley, cinnamony scent to it, but I don't care. I'm gonna open this up in the kitchen. I'm gonna hope that it continues to smell like this, and I'm just gonna set it without burning it for as long as I can, but oh my gosh, guys, smell. It smells so good. This theme is fantastic. And last on the bottom, buried under the shred, I almost missed it, we have a Aunt Martha's Dirty Laundry Tea Towels. Mind your own biscuits and life will be gravy. How fun is that? On the back, it's got a to from sticker, so you could use this as a gift. Only the best tea towel for you, my dear. Not to do the dishes, just for pretty. Who has time to cook? Let's call for takeout and have another glass of wine. That, I love the vintage look of that. Not to mention, I do enjoy a white cotton tea towel for wrapping biscuits, or I use it like I make my own tortillas, and I do some homemade bread cooking when I'm eating more bread. And I do all of my rising under a white tea towel. So I always love having these around. And the paperwork says, keep your hands clean and follow this simple recipe for happiness. I guess the recipe is mind your own biscuits and life will be gravy. That was another great thing for Silver Swag. And for May and our Silver Swag, we got this adorable tea towel, mind your biscuits. We have an actual biscuit mix. It's gonna make 13 biscuits for us, on which we can put our apple, they didn't call it jelly, right? Nope, jam. We can put our apple jam. What's the difference between jelly and jam? Is this gonna have apple bits in it? I think that might be the difference, but I won't go to the mattresses over. Then we have our Simply Coffee Scrub. This was a really nice month. This adorable, wildly, wonderfully scented candle that smells like maple and waffles. And this cute vintage spatula. You know, a lot of times kitchen items just don't have a lot of personality, and that one just really does. What a cute theme. Let me know what you guys think below. I will put all of their information down below. And don't forget, with Cat 15, you will get $15 off your first box. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time out to be here. I want to thank Silver Swag for sending this over. If you have any questions, let me know below. If I don't have the answers, I will find them for you. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you really soon. Bye, guys.